I'm going to teach you how to grow 1,000 followers on Instagram with Snappa. So here I am on snappa.com and I have templates. I'm using a free feature. So I'm looking for Instagram template. So let's see, this is actually LinkedIn. On the wrong template. Let's see here, Instagram. Okay, so here I have Instagram post and I am choosing which one I am looking for. Let's say I'm running out of time and I don't have design skills, let's say, or I just need something quick. I can just click on this one. I have a quote and I am going to change it a little bit, maybe change the colors for my theme, or maybe just the way it is. You know, I don't really have to do anything much. And then download it. Okay, once it's downloaded, I can do high resolution PNG, and then I can upload it on my drive and have it on my Instagram page. Now, once I am doing the Snappa designs, I can do other stuff. So let's say I'm going back, and let's say I'm not interested in any of this. I want something else. I am going to take in here. So let's say I don't like this image. Okay, I want a different image. So I go here as let me see here. Okay, background. What type of photo do I want? Let's say I want a different photo. something that is nice. Let's say I like this background, yellow background. Okay, and this image, if I want to change it, let me see my graphics, photos, and I want to change the photo. I have a choice if I want to upload my own photo. I have a choice right here. I can upload the image that I want. If not, then that's fine too. I'm gonna go here and look for nice, beautifully stacked photos that I can use over and over. I love computers, so I like this type of photo. And I'm going to remove this lady from here, and I'm gonna put this one on. Okay. We can do like this one, and it doesn't have to be full. It can be like this. And this. And this one can be a little bit smaller. Okay, let's make it smaller. So instead of 81, maybe 70. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, and then we can use your own website, UDN'S marketing. Let's say it's in Instagram. UDN'S marketing solutions. Make it a bit bigger, smaller. Perfect. And now hiring, I can change, I can play around with the text, whatever that is. You know, I'm just making the video short because I don't want to go over the details. So here's what you can do. You can change the text, the color, as you can see, the image, the background, and everything else. Now, how to grow 1,000 followers on Instagram with Snappa. So this is how you do it. You download it and upload it to Instagram. Now I'm going to show you how you are gaining your 1,000 followers after you upload on Instagram. So you learn about how to create nice posts on Instagram, and now I'm going to show you how to get the 1,000 followers that I promised you. So this is my account, my other account. So I have several accounts on Instagram. So I have about 1,499 followers, and the way I have gained that is basically going into do research. So in this account, I'm a resume writer. So I'm going to search for resume hashtags, and I'm going to actually connect with each and every one. Another way of doing it is just having a resume hashtags and then use them for searching for my followers. This is how I basically do it, and it helped me gain followers in a very fast way. So let's say I'm following this person, and now this person, when I go to, has people who are kind of like my type of followers. So let's say I'm going to go here in this arrow, and in this arrow I get all the suggestions that are kind of like the same type of prospects that I'm looking for. If you're a health coach, you can type health and just basically find your people that are basically your kind of like followers that they have, could be your followers as well, and you can use the hashtag in here. Now let's assume I want to follow her. She has 1.4 million followers. I just click on here and I just go over to suggestions here who are kind of like on the same type of people that they have. And surprisingly, those who I follow, the followers are seeing my post or your post, whatever that is, or your account, and they start following you as well. So the next thing I can show you a different way. You can go to Flick. Flick. The link is going to be in the description box. So all you have to do is just log in, and with the Flick, what you do is you post, let's say, a keyword, and then that keyword is going to be helping you which keyword ranks higher, so you can post it on your post with the hashtags when you just write a description in it. Let me just show you about what you can use. So with the Flick, you have here, you can search any keyword that you wish, and then it's gonna highlight your rankings, and then you do collection of hashtags that you don't have to constantly search for these hashtags. You can actually have it in a collection folder and then copy paste it as you need it. Then you get IG analytics of how these hashtags were performing, and then it goes by date how they were performing, and then you have here hashtag insights, how each hashtags were ranked based on your collection, the top performance, and then you have the resources. Resources will help you how to learn more about hashtag analytics and how to use even more. So basically, this is how I do it. Use hashtags, follow others, and you will gain the followers back. When I normally do it every other day, I don't do it every day. So every other day I have, this is just basically going to increase 20 followers a week, which is great. If I'm very adamant about it and do it consistently, then I can get up to 1,000 followers. So as you can see, this is basically what it is. And let me know in the comments how it helped you. If you were able to gain your 1,000 followers, you can share your Instagram in the comments, so I would like to see and review it. See you in my next video.